is expected to be launched in India by June 2024. Price. It is expected to have a starting price of Rs 80 lakh ex-showroom. Battery, motor and range. The global spec version of the Kia EV9 comes with a 99.8 kWh battery pack. It comes mated to either a rear-wheel drive, RWD, electric motor, 203 PS/350 Nm, or an all-wheel drive, AWD, electric motor, 383 PS/700 Nm. The former offers a WLTP claimed range of 680 km, while the latter offers a claimed range of 647 km. Features. Key features include two 12.3-inch touchscreens integrated with a 5.3-inch display, and 708-watt 14-speaker Meridian sound system. It also features V2L, vehicle-to-load, functionality. Safety. Its safety kit includes 9 airbags, a 360-degree camera, hill start assist, and a full suite advanced driver assistance systems ADAS, with features such as forward collision avoidance assist, lane keep assist, and adaptive cruise control. Rivals. In India, the EV9 could be considered as an affordable alternative to luxury electric SUVs like the BMW iX and Mercedes-Benz EQE SUV. Pros. Distinctive styling. Aerodynamic efficiency. Cons. At 2.6 tons, it's a very heavy car. For more car reviews, subscribe our YouTube channel, Cars Squad.